Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Direct in from the one local owner from new, this absolutely beautiful and totally cherished Audi A3. This is a 1.4 TFSI S-Tronic automatic. The car is absolutely gorgeous. It really has been incredibly well looked after. It's got about £1,300 worth of factory fitted options. The S-Tronic is the automatic. It's the 140 brake horsepower. Incredible to drive, great performance from it. Superb economy. Audi claims 60 plus combined MPG. Registered in October 2013. It would be on a 63 plate, but it does come with a cherished plate, so nobody knows how old the car is. It's absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Rear parking sensors. Good size boot on it. This has also got the optional mat, which if the seats are dropped down, that just goes all the way across. Spare wheel toolkit all in there. Split folding rear seats. Nice and clean. No damage, no marks. All the bodywork absolutely impeccable all the way around. No scratches, no dents, no scuffs. All the wheels are in great condition. Again, no damage to these at all on all of them, all four. It's got matching Pirelli tyres all the way around. The car is just absolutely gorgeous. All the front end, all in great condition. Monsoon grey metallic. Again, all the inside, black cloth upholstery, again all in great condition, no damage, no scuffs anywhere, plenty of leg room in there. Again, all the trims, everything in great condition. Electric windows, front and rear, electric mirrors. This one's also got the optional folding mirrors too. Again, the front upholstery, just look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Centre armrest, USB audio input in there. We've also got the cables that go in there as well. Again, all the trims. That just neatly folds away if you don't want it to show. Stereo, CD, media input, Bluetooth connection. All controlled nicely from just there. Great stereo in it. SD input in there as well. You've got the paddle shaft gear change as well on there. Leather multifunction steering wheel. And just look at that mileage at 29,659. That's all it's done. 29,659. Incredible 2013 car, 29,000 miles, one owner from new. You've also got cruise control, automatic lights, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers. Just great options on it. Absolutely outstanding condition. Beautiful car, great performance, one owner. Of course, we've got 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Check out our finance figures on our website using our calculator. Apply direct online. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Click and reserve. We can arrange home delivery if you so wished. Ask us for further details. We welcome part exchange. Any further details, please just give me a call. 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars and multi-award winning dealer in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.